Today, as womanhood is celebrated worldwide, in Pakistan this day serves as a painful reminder of the relentless persecution women have endured over the past 3 years. Despite being a nation founded on Islamic principles, the treatment of women stands in stark contrast to the teachings of Islam. Their only crime is having the courage to speak up for their democratic and human rights. From being dragged through the streets to suffering wrongful imprisonment, Pakistani women have faced unspeakable injustices. The cruelty knows no bounds. Even a pregnant woman had been subjected to such brutal oppression that she lost her unborn child.
इनको पता भी था कि मैं उधर से गायब हो गया हूँ। घर जाके इन्होंने मेरे घर का ऊपर वाला पोर्शन का दरवाजे तोड़े हैं। तो मेरी मिसेज ने देखा कि ऊपर शोर हो रहा है और बाहरी गली में शोर हो रहा है, तो मैं देखूं क्या हुआ है। इन्होंने लाइट भी घर की ऑफ की हुई थी। उन्होंने जैसे ही दरवाजा खोला तो इन्होंने आगे से धक्के दिए और उनका मिसकैरेज हो गया। बच्चे वाला हादसा किया, मैं तो इसे कत्ल को बोलूंगा, इन्होंने कत्ल किया बच्चे का।
Scores of women remain unjustly detained as political prisoners, while even the wife of a former prime minister was subjected to humiliation within the courts and behind prison walls. Yet, in the face of such cruelty, those who claim to champion women's rights remain silent. Their indifference is betrayal, but history will remember. The resilience of these women will outshine the silence, and justice will prevail.